Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to talk to you about the MYTREX Medi Neck 3-in-1 Neck Traction device. This is an excellent device for dealing with neck pain. Now, I have been dealing with chronic neck pain for really a couple of years now, so I'm always on the outlook for a product that will help alleviate some of that. Now, probably if you're watching this and if you're dealing with neck pain, you're hoping that I'm going to tell you this is a miracle cure, and that if you use this, all your neck pain will go away. And I'm going to tell you up front, there's no such thing. There is no miracle cure. If it was a miracle cure, it'd cost thousands of dollars. However, it is an excellent tool to have in your tool belt of various things to use to help with chronic neck pain. And it is excellent at that. I absolutely love this device. It is 3-in-1 traction device. What does that mean? Well, it's got heat, it's got EMS technology, and it has traction technology, which is like the stretching of your neck to help get better alignment of your neck. And it is a very well designed product, works great, easy to use and operate, very portable, really excellent. So I'm going to go over all the features, and I'm going to show you a lot of footage of this in action so you can see exactly how it works. Now, it is powered, it does plug in, and you do have this nice remote control, and it is connected to it by a cord. The remote is great. It's got a great display, very easy to read. It's backlit, so you can use it in any condition. Nice big buttons that allow you to control exactly how it works. You can control everything manually, or you can use auto programs, which is really great. Now, this is 3-in-1, so when you use this, you're going to lay this down flat. You're going to lay your head here, your neck goes over this part. You do want to use it on a firm surface, so either the floor is where I prefer to use it. If you have a firm mattress, you can use it on a firm mattress. If you have a really soft mattress, that's not going to work. You need to use it on a firm surface. On the bottom here, it does have this nice soft cloth material here that helps keep it in place, which is really, really excellent. So when you use it, again, 3-in-1. So first of all, you have your two little nodes here. Your neck is going to come into contact with those. Those have a dual purpose. One is heat. You've got 3 levels of heat you can use, and of course heat helps to draw blood into the area, which helps with healing. But it also has EMS, which is a electric muscle stimulation. Now, there are 3 different modes for the EMS, and then each mode you can use up to 20 different intensity levels. So you can use an intensity level that works for you and really helps stimulate those muscles, and it ultimately helps relax your neck muscles, which is excellent. Now, while you have those 2 things, you also have the traction. The traction in this is really awesome. One of the cool features about it, and something that I have not seen in another product as far as working this well and in this way, and this raises and lowers. There's an airbag inside of here that raises the bottom part, and then this part raises up as well. So it really stretches your neck. It helps to get your neck into proper alignment, and really, again, if you're like me, I have chronic neck pain. Part of that is due to bad posture, which I've had my whole life. This will help with that. This will help get your neck in correct alignment, help stretch your neck out in the proper way while you're doing the heat and while you're doing the EMS. Now, again, it is fully controllable by you. So you can just do one of those things. If you just want heat, you can just do heat. Just want EMS, EMS. Just want the traction control, you can just do the traction control. Or you can do all 3 at the same time. You also have the option of controlling all of those manually and doing it exactly the way you want it, or using one of the built-in programs. If you use one of the auto programs, on the remote there is a button here for auto, and when you push that, it cycles through the different automatic controls so that you can just use one of the built-in programs that will use all three of these different things, the heat, the EMS, and the traction in a preset program. Now, regardless of how you're using it, even when you're using the preset program, you still have full control over the intensity of the EMS. So you can set that EMS level to be what works best for you, especially when you're starting out. You're going to want to start out with low EMS and build up. You don't want to start out with super high. You want to start low always and then build up. And in fact, they recommend when you first start using this, you want to use it for about 5 minutes or less for the first several times that you use it. Once you've gotten used to using it, then you can use it for the full 15 minutes. Now, it does have a 15-minute automatic timer, so after 15 minutes, it's going to cut off automatically. which is great. And that's really 15 minutes is the max amount of time you should really use it at one setting. Now you can use it a couple of times a day for 15 minutes, but you really should only use it for 15 minutes at a time. This is really well built. The pad that your head rests on is like a nice soft rubber and has these, the way it's designed is very comfortable for your head to lay on this and very easy to get your head and your neck in the right position. You lay this down, you lay your neck across, your head goes on the pad, you grab your remote, again, very easy to see the remote and very easy to control everything, and then you get it going and then you just let it do its thing. Again, it's not a miracle cure. You're not going to use this once and suddenly your neck's going to stop hurting. It's not meant to be that. This is a great tool to add to whatever other tools you're using, your neck stretches, your physical therapy. You add this into all of that, and this will help because it does have those 3 different ways of helping alleviate neck pain. And I found it to be very effective. I think it works very well. It is designed just beautifully. It works. It's simple and really helps with me with the chronic neck pain. With the using those 3 things, the heat, the EMS, and the traction all together in a way to help really stretch the muscles, help the muscles relax, draw blood to the muscles. All those are things that help with chronic neck pain. So it works really well, really simple. If you have neck pain, if you're looking for a device to just help with that and something you can use easily and just use for like 15 minutes a day, maybe once or twice a day, that doesn't require a whole lot of effort on your part, then this is an excellent device. Again, it is by MYTREX and it is the Medi Neck 3-in-1 traction device with traction, heat, and EMS. Excellent product by MYTREX. Definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them, especially if you have any friends or family that suffer from neck pain, definitely share this with them. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.